Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erlangga Nur Sakti Febriansyah, kelas 3A TKI. When to present Industrial Revolution 4.0 opportunity and challenge for university alumni. What is the Industrial Revolution? Is war from the war of economists from German for an executive and the war economists from for industries. The concept of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is a book entitled for Industrial Revolution from 2017. Expression the Industrial Revolution for zero has fundamentally changed human life is handwork. Unlike a post-industrial revolution, it is for your generation industrial revolution as a revolution of complementary to the technology, activity, intelligent robot, technology, biomethodology, and quantum computer technology, broadband and internet basic technology, and 3D printers. B. The era of distribution. After Presiden Joko Widodo, the Industrial 4.0 has in the technology innovation of individual change in post life. Then is the era of decision econ of Kasali 2017. Our essence of just but out fundamental as business. This is no pleasure of in the problem solving is controversial for problem and potential economies. C. Opportunity. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 open world openness for annual advance information technology that is exhibited to all corners of the coast available in network. The plot of information spaced by futurologist Alvin Pro 1000 170 has become a reality for integration era of the Industrial Revolution. Jalaluddin Rahmat 1117 divides into 5 characteristics, namely wealth, technosphere, innosphere, sociosphere, and physicosphere. The characteristics of information as indicated that the information recovered and controlled by a person and combination of the word source of the complexity. D. Challenge. The first generation Industrial Revolution not prevent opportunities but as challenge of the millennial generation. The progress and technology entry of the Industrial Revolution by inflation so implement human versus mechanic completion and intelligent high demand for competence. In more the figure to show the potential job for automation, manufacturing, better trade, transportation, and warehousing, administrative staff, construction for food and accommodation service, agriculture, fisheries, and forestry. Health and financial atau insurance service. Example grafis. Contoh grafisnya. Conclusion, kesimpulan. The incorporation and the all efforts, the craft development, since our technology has major aim of development over efficient or obtained with the support of the digital technology. The service becomes a fast and more efficient and has with a range of connection with the only system. Homeware, the digitization of the program also has negative impacts. The role of human incredulity in taken of automatic mechanism. As a result, the number of is increasing. Is of and the burden of local and natural problem. 3/4 to the advance of unities and as well the challenge of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Test and thank you. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.